Hello student, how are you? I'm Arun sir. Welcome to my channel Tucson Expert. Today in this class, I'll teach you the some formula of the derivative of some elementary function from first principle. Student, if you watch my video regularly and follow my class attentively, then I can assure you that you must crack the IIT exam confidently with a good rank. Now let's start about the class. So we use the formula f dash x equal to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus fx by h. This is called first principle of the derivative or definition of the derivative. So we use the formula, limiting formula, to find the all derivative of all elementary function. First function is fx equal to x to the power n. First function is fx equal to x to the power n. So from the definition, f dash x equal to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h, fx equal to this, so f of x plus h will be x plus h whole to the power n minus x to the power n by h. Now from binomial theorem, this becomes x to the power n plus a plus b whole to the power n. We use the formula a plus b whole to the power n, a plus b whole to the power n equal to a to the power n plus nc1 a to the power n minus 1 b plus nc2 a to the power n minus 2 b square plus dot 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 etc. So we use this formula x to the power n plus nc1 into x to the power n minus 1 h. Next term nc2 x to the power n minus 2 h square plus dot 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 s to the power n. This is the expansion of this minus x to the power n for this divided by h. Divided by h. Now cancel this and this. This and this. nc1 becomes factorial n divided by factorial 1 n minus 1 factorial, which is n into n minus 1 factorial by n minus 1 factorial, cancel to each other, which is n. So nc1 becomes n. So the formula becomes, so this limiting value is n. If take common h from this expansion, so h nc1 becomes n x to the power n minus 1 plus nc2 x to the power n minus 2 into h. Now all the terms contain h, so this becomes h to the power n minus 1 divided by h. Now cancel this and this and put h equal to 0 in this term. So this become, if h equal to 0, put this, so this all the values become 0. Now left term is this. So this is the derivative of x to the power n. In this way, x to the power n derivative of, this is the derivative of x to the power n. Okay. So f dash x equal to f of x plus h, fx equal to e to the power x, so f of x plus h will be e to the power x plus h, so e to the power x plus h minus fx e to the power x by h. Now this will be e to the power x into e to the power h minus e to the power x by h. So this, now we know the limiting formula of e to the power h minus 1 by h equal to 1. So this becomes e to the power x. So this is that formula. Now if fx equal to e to the power mx, if fx equal to, so this is the formula of e to the power x. Now if fx equal to e to the power mx, then if mx, then this becomes m. So e to the power mh, mx, so e to the power mx, e to the power mh minus 1 by h. Now this value becomes e to the power mx into limit h tends to 0 e to the power mh minus 1 by mh multiplied by m. So adjust m in numerator and denominator. Now this limiting value becomes 1, because if h tends to 0, then mh also tends to 0. So mh tends to 0, this minus this by this becomes 1. So the formula becomes m into e to the power mx. So this is the formula of e to the power mx. Formula of e to the power mx. A to the power mx. So f dash x equal to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h equal to a to the power m of x plus h minus fx. Fx is this by h. So this become a to the power mx, a to the power mh minus 1 divided by h, a to the power mx. Now we write this term as e to the power. So we know the formula of limit h tends to 0 a to the power x minus 1 by x, limit x tends to 0 a to the power x minus 1 by x equal to log a. So if we adjust this a to the power mh minus 1 by mh into m, if we adjust m in numerator and denominator, so this is the formula of log a. So this is the formula of log a, So the formula of so the derivative of a to the power mx becomes this m into a to the power mx log a. Next term is, suppose log mx, m is any integer, any real value. So f dash x equal to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus fx by h. This is the formula. So this becomes f of x plus h log m of x plus h minus fx log mx by h. So this becomes log, we know the log a minus log b, log a minus log b equal to log a by b. So use this formula here, log this by this, m of x plus h by mx, this. Now this becomes cancel, so 1 plus log of 1 plus h by x, 1 plus h by x. So now by h by h. So this becomes now adjust here the term is h by x, so we adjust here h by x. So if we adjust here h by x, so adjust by x here. Now this term becomes these whole terms, this up to this term is 1, because the formula of limiting formula of limit x tends to 0 1 log 1 plus x by x becomes 1. So this is 1, this becomes 1, and the value will be 1 by x. So derivative of log mx is 1 by x, 1 by x. This is the answer. Next term is mx. So f dash x equal to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus fx by h, which is equal to limit h tends to 0. Now this is sin m of x plus h minus sin mx by h. So this is the formula of sin c minus sin d. This becomes sin c minus sin d. This is c and this is d. Sin c minus sin d formula is 2 sin c minus d by 2. This minus this by 2, that is mh by 2 into cos c plus d by 2. This plus this by 2. This plus this. We use the formula here sin c minus sin d, which is equal to 2 sin c minus d by 2 cos c plus d by 2. Now this becomes mx plus mh plus mx by 2 sin cos c plus d by 2 by h by h. So this become, now if we adjust this sin h tends to 0 sin mh by 2 divided by mh, so this becomes adjust by m here, 2 becomes 2 is shifted in this place, and we adjust only by m here, and next term is into cos mx plus mh by 2, this whole limit. We know the formula limit x tends to 0 sin x fx sin fx by fx equal to 1. So using this formula we get here m into cos mx. If put h equal to 0 here, so this is 0. Now the result becomes m cos mx. So this is the answer. Cos mx, fx equal to cos mx. So f dash x is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h, f dash x equal to this f of x plus h minus fx by h. So this becomes f of x plus h means cos of this, because if fx equal to this, now f of x plus h means put x plus h here and also here. So we get f of x plus h in this way, put x plus h in this place and also in this place. So this becomes f of x plus h minus fx. Fx is cos mx by h. Now this formula is cos c minus cos d. Formula of cos c minus cos d is cos d equal to 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin d minus c by 2. This is the formula, cos 2 sin c plus d by 2 sin d minus c by 2. So using this formula we get, this is c, this is d, this is c and this is d. So cos c minus cos d will be 2 sin c plus d by 2, this whole this is c, this is d, c plus d by 2, that is mx plus mh plus mx by 2, this is c, this is d, into sin d minus c by 2, this minus this minus this, that is mx minus mh by 2. So limit h tends to 0 sin mx plus mh by 2 into this cancel. So sin minus mh by 2 by h, here h is present, by h. So now adjust here m and 2 place, shift to here and adjust here m, also here m. Now this becomes, if we put h equal to 0 here, this becomes sin mx, and the formula of sin x by x is 1, but here negative minus. So if we negative sign will be here, because sin minus theta equal to minus sin theta, we know. So out the negative sign here. So sin theta by theta equal to 1, and this is m. So result is m sin mx minus sin mx minus m sin mx. This is the result. So derivative of cos mx is this. Tan mx. হ্যালো, সব সাউন্ড শোনা যাচ্ছে। Now fx equal to tan mx. So f dash x equal to tan m x plus h minus mx by h. So now tan x equal to sin x by cos x. Break in sin and cos. Sin by cos. Now so LCM here, LCM will be this into this, LCM will be this into this, minus this into this, into h. So this result become sin A cos B. This is A, this is A, this is B. Sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. The result is sin A cos B minus cos A sin B, sin A minus B, h into cos. So cancel this and this. Now by h. Now adjust m here, here, and here 1 by this. So this result becomes 1. This result becomes 1. Whole bracket. Now this is 1, sin x by x equal to 1. So m into, now put here h equal to 0, cos mx into cos mx, m cos square mx, m sec square mx. So this is the result. This is the result. Next function is sec x, sec mx. So f dash x is equal to limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h is sec m of x plus h minus fx is this by h. Now sec is 1 by cos. Cos c minus cos d formula is 2 sin c plus d by 2. This plus this by 2 is becomes this into sin d minus c by 2. This minus this by 2. This is d. This is as d and this is c. Cos c minus cos d formula apply. Cos c minus cos d, 2 sin c plus d by 2, c plus d by 2 into sin d minus c by 2. This minus this becomes ms by 2 by h this. So this and this, this and this. So limiting, we can apply this by this by adjusting by adjusting m. So the value becomes m h. Now shift 2 in this place, in this place. So and now here adjust m, this. Now this becomes sin mx 2 divided by cos mx whole limiting value, this. Now this becomes 1. So m into, now put h equal to 0 here, here and here, here and here. Put h equal to 0 here and here. So the result becomes sin mx cos mx into cos mx. So result is m sin by cos tan 1 by cos sec m sec mx tan mx. This is the results. This is the result. The next function is fx equal to e to the power root over mx, e to the power root over mx. So f dash x is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus fx by h, which is equal to f of x plus h becomes e to the power root over m of x plus h minus root over mx by h. Now take common this value from this. So if we take common e to the power root over mx, then the result will be e to the power root over minus root over mx minus 1. This is the result. How? If we multiply this and this, so we apply e to the power a into e to the power b equal to e to the power a plus b. If you add this plus this, then the result becomes this. So if we take common this from these terms, the result becomes this. Now we have to find this by using the limit formula. So now this equal to root over mx into limit h tends to 0 e to the power root over minus e to the power root over mx, sorry, minus root over mx, this minus 1 by, we know the formula of e to the power fx minus 1, e to the power fx, we know the formula e to the power fx minus 1 by fx limit fx tends to 0 equal to 1. So we apply this formula here. Now this is considered as fx, this is fx, so we have to bring this here, this term here. So m of x plus h minus root over mx, we have to bring this term here. Now also we have to adjust this term here. This and also one term h. If h tends to 0, then this becomes 0. If h tends to 0, put here h equal to 0, then this term mx minus mx will be 0. So this term will be 0. So we now apply this formula here. So what is the value of this? This value will be e to the power root over mx into this will be 1 and st0 root over m of x plus h minus root over mx by h. So take common root over m from this, and by rationalizing this we get this. So this becomes this into this x plus h minus x by h. So cancel x here, h here, and finally put h equal to 0 here. Here we get the result becomes root over m e to the power root over mx into 1 by root over x plus 1 by root over x 1 by 2 root over x 1 by 2 root over x. So this is the result. So this is the result. E to the power root over mx derivative is root over m into e to the power root over mx into 1 by 2 root x. Student, this is the end of the class today. To get such type of video, subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you.